How to withdraw euro on Kraken. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can withdraw euro on Kraken. For this, open up any web browser and head over to the official website of Kraken. Make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to click on the withdraw cash option from the left hand side panel. Once you're here, you want to select your currency, which in this case is euro. For that, go ahead and click on the drop down menu and select euro from there. Next, you want to select the method. Click on this drop down menu and here you have three different methods: Clear Junction, Bank Frick and Bank Frick Swift. So you can select whichever method you want. However, Clear Junction, SEPA and SEPA Instant is the fastest way. So you can select that. Once you have selected that, the next thing you want to do is click on the continue option. Once you do that, you will have to add your new bank account information here. Go ahead and enter the description, name on account, IBAN number, bank name, BIC, bank address, and all the other information over here. Once you have added this, click on the add bank account option. Now, for account security, you will receive an email with a link for verification. Click on the confirm address option. Once you do that, you want to enter the withdrawal amount. So go ahead and enter that. Make sure that you have not exceeded any funding limits, whether it is daily or monthly. Now click on the withdraw euro option. Check the details and click on the confirm option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.